Go to the project settings and set the resolution to a square format. Add the files and place them on the timeline. Position one clip above the other and go to the inspector. The settings for each video are individual, but here is what I do. At 250, crop the top of both clips. Flip the upper clip vertically and move it 350 units up. Move the lower clip 350 units down. Set softness to 35 for both clips. This will help blend the skies of both shots. Create a compound clip. Set zoom to about 1.3. Apply transform. Set a keyframe for rotate at the first frame. Go to the last frame and set the rotate value to 180. Go to animation and set motion blur to around 0.3. In advanced options, set edge behavior to reflect. Check the result. Adjust zoom slightly if needed. Now it looks good. Render. Change the project resolution again. Add the clip and use zoom to scale it to full screen. Done.